No, I cannot record, bro.
What do you mean you can't?
Oh, fuck, I touched grass.
Yeah.
One recorded. And we're going to do a second one, right?
Well, then there will be the race, the actual race.
Qualification.
It's just the qualification.
Oh, fuck. Oh, never mind, I'm not getting qualified, guys.
Yes, you are. There's not. I don't think there is enough people to not qualify.
Guys, can I give up? Can I give up?
Nope.
Holy. Oh, I just went into someone. Oh, fuck.
There you go.
Fuck. Okay, let me try again. After the
Yo,
race.
he did faster than me, bro.
I did 53?
Yes, you did, bro. Stop saying you're not good at things you're very good at.
Dude, how did I... Okay, I hit like 10,000 times the grass. I hit like...
Yeah, me too.
I missed everything. I missed everything. Oh. Who has it? Who has the horn?
I think it's Bonk.
Bonk, what do you want for the horn? I can do anything.
I know, Alex. I can give you anything. Give it to me. I want it.
No, not him, bro. Bonk.
That's me.
Bonk.
Get out of here. The adults are talking. Get away.
Bonk. Bonk, what do you want? What do you want me to give you for the horn? Bro, stop hitting me! 10 netherite? Okay, bet, come.
No,
come.
I don't have that.
Come.
Brother's actually paying 10 of the rating goods for that.
Yeah, of course I am, bro. What is
This
that?
is crazy.
Yo, back off! Back off! Nah. Oh, you stole one in the chest. Can I have my ender chest? Thank you.
Sure. Can I have one ingot?
For what? I give you
For the
like...
ender chest. I gave you the ender chest. Ooh.
No. You gave me the ender chest? It was mine! It was mine!
No, it was mine.
Holy people, stop following me.
Hello there.
Hi.
Oh, no, he said another one. No. No, I got baited by the second one.
Okay.
Nice job.
Thank you. Okay, Bonk, give me the horn. Give me the horn, I have the ingot, give me the horn.
I tried, I didn't get anything.
Okay, give it to me, give the horn. Give the horn. Oh, thanks. Thank you.
No, I didn't get anything.
Horn. Okay, Bonk, oh. Give it to me. I got it. Thank you.
No.
Holy. I'm keeping this on me.
So many people did faster than me. No, it's the law. It's not Cindercrest. Cindercrest used it, but later.
No, it's Cindercrest. Horn. The law is.
No, the law used this exact one. The law used this exact one.
No. Law is another one.
Yes.
The law is the one where it does like and this one for the law. Bro, places. This is Cindercrest, bro.
Yes, it is, but it's also the law. 1, 2.
It's not the law.
4, 5.
It's not the law. Let me get in your bones. Wait. Is this allowed? Am I allowed to get in other people's boats?
No.
Oh fuck. Why did everyone just... Oh nice. No. I'm just kidding. Ow! Okay. No! My boat! Gang, this is not your boat. Triggy, you got my boat.
Where's Triggy?
You got my boat. This is not my boat.
Yo, Triggy was even faster.
This is not my boat, bro. See? Blazes, see this one?
No, that's not low. That's not low.
That one is low. That one is
No. This one is way too common to be low.
No.
Yes, see, even
This
Triggy
is low.
agrees with me.
This
No,
is low.
that is not. That is not low.
But okay, play it again.
That makes more sense, to be honest.
Play it again. Wonk, play the horn again.
No.
Oh yeah, it's
No.
not.
Hell no. Anyway, can we get in our respective boats, please?
It has one done more. Okay, Tricky, you have my boat.
Well, the Triggy is in front of you. You're not supposed to be here. You're supposed to be on this one.
Oh, but Tricky stole my boat. I got a boat. Tricky, what are you doing? Yo, guys, I have a question. Why are we putting the best drivers in the first place?
Because that's how racing works, but it's stupid, I agree.
Oh, that's scripted, bro. But it's scripted. Yo, Triggy, you have 2 boats. Come on, man. Triggy, there's 2 boats on the floor. He's just crafting another one. She's just trash bait at this point.
Oh.
Okay, can you remove these boats actually? Because I'm gonna pick them up and I'm going to be very mad. What is she doing?
Drifting the track?
I guess. Bonk! You're not supposed to be here again. 10 laps? No, I don't know how to count. Need to do it 3 or something. Not 10.
10 is good.
Okay, 5. 5 is good. 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 Like 10 is so long. Utopia is counting. Utopia, I'm paying you 10 as rights if you let me win. At Nate Juice pace?
No, that's just 10 minutes.
What? This is like a half an hour at Nate Juice. Bro! I'm not bad.
Yes, you are.
I'm
Well, I
not
guess you're
bad.
faster than me, but...
I got better. I did better than you, bro. What are you talking about? Why is he starting? Why is he making a timer? Also,
like
we're doing 10. We are doing 10.
Yes, 10 laps.
I feel like someone is going to have a wall. He's going to have a. Okay, thank you, bro. I'll see you later. Wait, actually? Huh? I will just...
No, Stryphe pushed me.
Guys?
Oh. Yeah, don't worry, Niji, it's fine.
I wasn't ready.
It's fine.
I thought Snudder was like...
Yo!
Triggy! Fuck this Triggy guy, bro. Fuck this man.
Alright, I'm coming for you.
Bro, Triggy. Oh, Blazes. I hate you, gang.
Stop pushing me in the grass!
That's what... Oh, wait.
I swear to God, everyone is just pushing me in the grass around. That is so annoying.
Yo, bro. Oh my god. I'm just so bad at this. Am I allowed to kill people?
No PvP.
Fuck then. Triggy, I'm legit gonna kill this guy. I'm legit gonna kill this guy. In game. Triggy. Yes, Triggy boy. Triggy boy is gonna miss. How is he? He just went through me, what?
I need to laugh.
What do you mean you skipped a section? No, Tricky,
Yes,
don't go,
she's
don't go, no, don't go in front of me, bro. I'm gonna hit you again. Yo, if I lose, it's because of Tricky Boy. I don't care. I don't care, bro. No, bro! You just break my boat.
Bro.
You just break my boat. Nah. Nah, guys, he's cheating. Tricky Boy, you're gonna hit me one more time, I'm gonna mace you. I'm actually gonna mace you. Because this is cheating. Utopia, how much? I did not even count. I did not even count how much laps I did. Utopia, how much is it? It's my third one. Yeah, it's my third one. My god, bro. Triggy, you're weird, Triggy boy. You're weird. No one likes you, Triggy boy. Just by yeah, give up, Triggy boy. You're not winning this shit. Who's first? Okay, I think Stryphe is first. Okay,
Yeah,
my
he's like
you know, okay, Ligabe has just one lap more than me. He has one lap more than me, bro. Are we serious? Are we serious? Okay.
Wait, Utopia, how many laps am I on right now?
Ligabe, how are you so fast? How is this guy generally so fast, bro? I can swear. Dang, bro, Ligabe. Okay, never mind. I got my lap back from Ligabe. Wait, what happened? Did he pop or something? Yo, Tricky, can you stop, like, annoying people with the spear? He's fast because he's on a boat on an ice track.
Yeah, that makes sense.
No, Elytra mace. Yes, Nado, can you kill him? Can you please kill him?
Yeah, please. Wait, Snido is not in the voice chat. He cannot hear us.
Oh, I really wish he could.
Yeah, same.
How is killed behind me, gang? Like right behind me. I did not even see him.
No, I don't really want to shut up, you know?
Oh yeah, nice. Good job. Thank you, bro.
Thanks.
I love you. Wait, how much lap did I... Oh, this is so long, bro. Everyone is just... Oh my god, bonk! Move, bro, bonk! What is
Someone
Stryphe?
sleep. Someone sleep, please.
Okay, so Stryphe is just like...
We need someone to sleep.
He's like 10 laps ahead of me. And he's just speaking. He's just talking in the chat. Alright,
Which
Stryphe. Stryphe. Come on, man.
No, Stryphe is getting one lap on me. No.
Not
He's
surprising.
just too good.
Yeah, this guy is
way
cracked.
too good for me.
Cracked.
I mean, he made the track, so yeah, he has an advantage as well.
Yeah, he has an advantage, yeah. This is why. This is exactly why, bro. And Ligabe just took another lap on me, bro. Ligabe.
I don't think so, because like he never took a lap on me, so I don't see how
Oh,
he
he's
could be taking laps on
he's
you.
right in front of me, bro.
I
He just
don't
did.
see
He just did.
he can't be taking laps on you since he's never taking one on me. That
Oh,
doesn't
then
make
he
sense.
took one on me then. He might have just took one on me.
Oops, looks like I'm overtaking someone once more.
Which is?
You think it is? Yeah.
So cringe. Tricky boy.
Oh,
Can you shut up, Tricky boy? You died to fucking Snedo, bro. You died to
yeah.
fucking Snedo.
Imagine dying to Snado.
Imagine dying and to Snedo. He one shoot me somehow. Yes, because he used the mace.
Which is like the most powerful weapon in Minecraft, you know?
Probably.
You know how that goes?
Blazes is down. Oh my god, okay.
Wait, I'm done?
Blaze is down.
Wait, so that means that... What?
What?
Okay, I'm just lost right now. Okay, strike one, yeah.
Blazes is down?
Yeah, I guess we did the 10 turns as well. Yeah, I won. I definitely won.
How is Blazes ahead of me, bro?
No, I'm not ahead of you. I'm not.
Yes. Look in the chat.
I'm not. I know.
Okay, wait. Blaze down and
no,
then he's
he didn't say it. He didn't say it in order, because he said Stryphe won after I was done. After he said I was done, so it was not in order.
Guys, can we do a PvP event, please?
Nope.
Watch this. Watch my speed. I'm lucky now. I was pretending to be bad. I'm actually one of the best.
Need you. You're done. Get off the ice track.
360. Oh, I missed. 360 again. I missed. Can we do a PvP event, please? Guys?
No.
Please?
No.
Can I keep people now?
It's not gonna happen.
Okay, I'm gonna keep people now. Like this guy?
I was just kidding.
Like this guy, for example? This guy, maybe? Nice attack! Oh.
600 minus 300. Minus 1300.
Free and the chest!
Oh.
Can we do we do a PvP event, please, guys?
No.
No, let's do a parkour event. Blazes, let's build a...
Sure. Sure for that. Actually...
Do you have the low? Do you have the low one?
Yo, okay, I could make it. I could make one. I could make a parkour event. I could definitely do that.
Danger, do you have, how is it called? The low one. I don't know how it's called.
About. Hmm. 9 gaps? Damn. That's a lot. Wait, how many do I have? Oh wait, where is it? I have 4. Damn. He won his own event. That's crazy, dude.
Okay, can I make events and like I say, winner gets like 10,000 netherite block and the event would be like sword, like winning the event.
No.
Okay. Can I do it?
For the record, the prizes were given by Stryphe. So if you want to give out like 10k netherite blocks, you have to get them.
Oh fuck! No, I'm not doing
Yeah.
it. I'm not doing it. I'm fighting kill in third person. Holy. Oh.
What? I finished second?
Wait, how did Blazes finish second? How did Blazes finish second? He was behind me, bro. Was he? I'm kidding. Lol.
Yes, I wasn't.
Yes, I wasn't. What are you talking about? Copia, Blaze was behind me. Wait, actually, were you behind me? Like, actually.
I think so.
Yo, Utopia! Utopia!
I mean, I don't remember overtaking you.
Yeah, bro, Utopia! Utopia, he was not second, bro. He was not second. Hey, bro. Yes, I was.
Hey.
I think so. Grab your skin, bro. Look at me, look at me. Let me take a screenshot. Yeah. Oh, wow. Let me send it to you. That is peak content, by the way. That is peak content.
Wait. Okay, so Stryphe took 1 lap on me, but not on you. So yeah, that means you were in front of me.
PvP allowed now? Okay, bet.
No elytra macing though.
No, because oh, okay. Wait, Triggy. I'll do it for like one elytra. I'm doing it. One elytra, Triggy boy. One elytra. Oh sure. Okay, one elytra. Okay. Wait, Stryphe. Wait, hold on. So okay, elytra macing is not like allowed.
Thank you.
But it's like allowed if I hit the player, as long as I don't hit the player. Don't kill him. Like what? Do you have extra layers? Yes, I do, but I have to keep them. Wait, Tricky, you just...
Were you about to kill me?
Oh my god, Tricky boy, I hate you. But you know what? I should kill Tricky boy actually. This guy's like so annoying. I don't know. My teammates, that's right. Like Veran was my teammates. Nada was my teammates. I killed them all.
Okay, so you had just way too many teammates regarding the fact that only teams of 2 were allowed.
Yeah, like allies, you know, for the end tides. I was supposed to team with Nether and Veran, but I betrayed them. I tried to kill both of them. I killed one. Yes, we are. Oh, thank you. I don't need the diamonds. Wait, actually, I do need the diamonds. Actually, wait, hold on. Why are you giving me 1 diamond block? Do I kill her? God totems, I do have some. Oh, we get a prize if we just participate to the race? Wait! That's cool. Diamond block, 1 diamond block for each. Yo, that is cool.
You didn't finish. Oh.
So we all get 1 diamond block. Okay. Hello, Stryphe.
Oh.
Ah! Ora vai se tu queres durar no monte. So everyone just left. Oh wait, this is Yo, my bad, my bad. I'm legit so stupid. You're tricky.
Need you. What did
My
you do?
bad, my bad. I tried to keep Triggerless because I thought it was Stryphe, but I saw he was wearing Netherite and I was like, oh wait, this is not
That's
Stryphe.
crazy.
You're tricky, my bad. My bad. Tricky. Tricky. Okay, so everyone just left. No, Tricky, my bad, Tricky. Oh my god. Can you allow Elytra Macing? Please? I don't worry, bro. I'm fine. No, with like wind charges, only wind charges.
Yeah, no flying with fireworks. I mean, Elytra is good, like, for that.
It's not that dangerous. Yeah, it is not. Who had Android on? I think was killed. No, do not think about it, just allow it. I will, please. I waited for Elytra for so long. Okay, so Elytra Macing is now allowed.
Well, not with fireworks, but yeah.
Not with fireworks, yeah. Wait, hold on, it's not. I'm not
Even is going to use crystal.
Freaky! Freaky boy! You need to kill more people now.
Hello.
I got some free loot, which is good. I got a diamond pickaxe and a diamond axe. Oh. Oh. My bad. That's good. Blazist.
Yep.
If you give me her location, I'm gonna give you one netherite thing. But if you, okay, if you, give me, yeah,
If I do what?
if you give me her location and you like, and I can kill her, you're getting one netherite ingot.
Nope.
2 netherites.
Nope.
3.
Let me think for a second. Go up to 5 and I give you the location.
Okay, you give me the location, but you have to like make sure I kill her.
Oh well, that's not an option. She's gone.
Okay. That's bad.